and welcome back to this environment. We will look through different parts of dbWatch. So we have arrived at this option called FDL console. FDL console, well, the FDL is farm data language, and farm data language is a query language that dbWatch has created to allow data warehouse type querying across multiple data sources. And in itself, it needs a separate training tutorial, I think, to cover all the aspects of FDL. But this is a query tool to run FDL queries, to kind of get results and to try them out before you use them in different parts of the application. You can use them in reporting, you can create your own dashboards and views, etc. And on the section here, you can choose what part of the structure you will anchor the query in. So you might not need to select them, but you can. But we can try the query just to show how it works. So if we type instance, we get the unique identifier of an instance. But if we look, we type a slash here and press tab twice, you see what you can query on based on this point. So if we query on name, you see the names that the given names that we have on the different instances. If we want to query on two values on the same instance, we use this kind of syntax where we anchor it into a variable. And then you can use this and query name, have that as one column, and then we can create another column with port, for instance. So, or something else. Let's see. We can also have a version or platform. So if you're wondering what we can do, you can do you can use something else. So let's see. Yeah, host IP. That's nice. Yeah. So name, the column, host IP. And so this is used to query in FDL. And if we look to different views, like here we do, we're in we look at the different instances on a platform. This query is possible to open up. So this is an FDL query that kind of gets this response. And we can do this without a dollar and use that query here to get the same kind of response, and allows us to also look at the contents that we get from the different responses, and to modify them to make sure that we can use a similar query in multiple settings. So that's a quick introduction to the FDL console. It has a lot of advanced features, and FDL itself is a big section that needs additional training, but this is where you run your queries, and you can also spawn out new consoles. You can save the different queries and then run them again different times. So if you find good queries that get a lot of the right data out, you can save them as favorites and run them again. And you can choose to either have it run continuously while you are typing, or switch to triggered mode, where you have to use Control E to execute the queries. So that's a quick introduction, and thank you, and I hope to see you again in another video. dbWatch Control Center, redefining database operations. Please visit us at Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube.